Aray, patrão, sossegados. Sossegado.
Hello guys, actually from yesterday we are planning to go somewhere, but unfortunately because of the COVID-19 on the map they are showing the places are temporarily closed. So today we are planning to go to see any waterfall. Let's see. So welcome back to the channel everyone. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine.
Just now I have fueled up my bike and Troy is checking his tire pressure. After so much of discussions, finally we made one plan to go Rivona. Aray, patrão, sossegados. Actually we were supposed to go waterfall, but I had called one of my friend. He's saying that the place is closed, so we have to drop the plan to go waterfall. Guys, we are not going at Rivona spring, but we are going at Rivona waterfall. Way to Vatolemol. Okay, so we have to go this side. Off-roading mare. Although I think I said this on my own. Chan re? Hah? विसरला कशा विसरला तो हुन्छ म्हणता ओके हुन्छ आमगे ಏನು ती हिमालयन मी चढा ये Bro, where is the waterfall, buddy? What card? I shall read by Solai. Not a guitar. Mark Pundita, the Pamako Hata. I can't get it. तुम घुसते हो इनसे एक ट्रैक आटा बुन चले आ रहे मुझे
रख दे सुगन फार्म हाउस है
अच्छा सुगन
and this water is like temptation.
Guys, we finally reached at the location. As you can see, drinking alcohol or having non-veg food is strictly prohibited on this place. Enjoy the view in 3, 2, 1.
Close my eyes so I can see. Memories recall. You were right in front of me. Scared to lose it all. I believe you could be the light through all the darkness of me. You could be the one. Said you'll never let me go, never let me go. But I'm here waiting for a lifetime. Said you'll never let me go, never let me go. But I'm still waiting for a lifetime.
Guys, how are the cinematic shots? So now we are planning to go. Hello guys, now we are going. Where? So now we are going to click some beautiful pictures for Instagram at Chapoli Dam. Chalo, see you guys there. तू म्हटली चापोली डॅमाको वचपाक वय घराको कितको पॉल काय सांगता च्या पिता थिंगा वॉटरफॉला कडेन हांवें तुमकां सांगलोलें हांव चापोली डॅमाको वयताय म्हूण तेदो 5:30 जालोली सो हांवें मॅपाचेर आयलें Chapoli Dam, so it was showing 1 hour 12 minutes something. Because of that we have to drop the plane. But think पावत म्हळ्यार आनी टायम जातालो सो कांय दिसती पडनासलें तेका लागून आमी वचपाचें कॅन्सल केलें आनी आफ्टर दॅट वी हॅड गॉन टू सी वन मोर waterfall but थिंगा पुलीस येयले आनी दे वर नॉट अलाउविंग अस टू गो देर सो I will try to go there next time. So that's it for today guys. I hope you guys like this vlog, and if you did then don't forget to hit the like button, and if you are new to my channel don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Till then, bye bye, take care. One more thing, don't forget to follow me on Instagram because I think I pic I will those pics I will post on Instagram. So do follow me on this ID. Bye bye.